snatch person phone. This one happened for Lagos, inside Lagos traffic. My people, now so this person sit that inside bus, they press phone late in the night. This guy just passed before you know him. See, they capture am red-handed. In fact, in face sef, even they show you fit see him face from the distance. So abeg, I bring am come outside because this guy, as I watch this video, my people, he practice, he calculate him movement. He, like, you know, understand, he strategize. He calculate am when cars no dey move fast, when cars dey move fast. Now so this guy just go action, boom, carry phone. I bring am outside so that una go see am for una wey know am. Abeg, we dey look for this guy, so abeg join me, make we watch the video. I think say by now people don wise. I think say we don wise by now. If you no feel wise for Lagos, where you want wise? Lagos. And see, I don't know, but for the whole of Nigeria, Lagos, you see Lagos, forget am. You no feel wise anywhere, leave am. This thing don dey happen. See, some of them sef go come, they will be two. Especially those of you now where they drive private cars, they go there two. One go there your side, the other one go there the other side, and one go they distract you. The moment you look the other side, they don't carry the thing where they want carry, they don't go. Una suppose they see shine in our eyes. Where all the PT committee, una see this one now, see don't do your own. If they can't catch am now, say they deal with am, now go they talk say, oh, no, don't be wicked now. Say no to jungle justice. Say this one. But he go with his own big head and his leg. He go carry person phone. So who wicked now for this one? Because avoid pressing your phone inside public transport, especially in the night. Avoid pressing your phone. Some of you no fit do without that thing. I don't know whether message where they reply, I be Instagram where they press. I don't know whether you know fit do and where they run. Any small thing, some people, I don't see one way even to cross road. If they cross road, if they with phone, car almost hit them. Una don't do they addicted, like you know understand, the thing don't dey inside on our blood. See, if that's all, I don't know with kind things where they happen now. Every day where they step out for this country, my people, I know they normal. You cannot be normal in Lagos, especially if you're outside your house. It's not possible. See, I dey wear. As I dey step out, I don't craze. Naturally, madness, it dey enter my body. You know understand? You must dey alert. And you must, see, let me tell you something. To survive in Nigeria, you must have, what did they call her? Citizenship. You know which kind of citizenship I talk about? You must have small agbero inside of you. You must have small madness inside of you. You must have small kindness. In fact, mixture of everything. If you are too calm, you no fit survive for this country. You no fit dey normal if you dey inside your house, be yourself. Once you step out, you must automatically change. Except if you know you never jam. Una dey see area for this Naija, una dey see Oshodi, Oshodi, Yaba, Bariga, especially that Oshodi. Dey wise. And they tell una serious matter because it go happen for your eye like this. You no go even know where to start. You don't know. All of una way they talk say, if na me, I'll go get that from the car. I'll go chase am. Where you want to see am? Where you want to see am? Some of them say they plan with the mates, the conductor. Some of them they plan with them. They know themselves. After they carry, they know where they go meet each other. This thing and wetin dey happen every time. Where you want to see am? See, I beg, make una try to dey very well. Dey sharp. It dey very important. If not, you go lose more than this one. They don't carry people back from window before. Bag. And the person just they come from bank. If you dey sit down close to window, you dey inside public transport. Biko, no carry your phone. Chook inside your bag and hold your bag tight. Very, very important. Are they very sorry for the person wey losing phone o, bros abi sister? Are they very very sorry? But I just dey hope say this one don teach you, and especially all of us una wey dey watch me, I hope say this one don teach una say you suppose dey very vigilant, very very important. Abi my people, I wan know una experience. Any of una wey this thing don happen to before, why not? If not, just drop am for that comment section and I go reply una one by one as usual. Share this video make everybody know wetin dey happen now for Lagos. For those wey don close their eye already, make they open am again. And if you never subscribe, meaning say you go dey miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. We going down to Abuja house. Hey, we going out to Abuja house. We going out to Abuja house to chase Buhari out of town. I don't know if I see where invent this song, but I'm in the mood, man. But I go hear where my people, as soon as they hear me like this, no be me compose song. Oh. All the Nigeria, okay, maybe some, but I believe say na all the Nigerians wey dey London now, they don't go outside go protest. Yes, so we remember matter where they come up say Nigeria president don't travel, medical routine, medical checkup. It don't happen. I don't tell am, motor don't jam am, I don't tell. Everybody don't vex. Say how this man go. In fact, the matter say reach abroad now. All the Nigerians wey we get for that place, they say na lie. Some go hospital, some go anywhere wey Buhari, some even don't go Abuja house. Say this man must come up. In fact, may go back to Nigeria, go continue in treatment for that place. And the person wey dey lead this group now, this whole thing now be any other person. Human rights activist Rena Omokri. Abi Omokri, I don't know, I beg. Make una forgive me for the name. I beg, I don't bring her on her side. Una supposed to trust me by now. Madam Aproko herself. I bring una the latest. So I beg, join me. Make we watch the video.
We going down to Abuja house. We going down to Abuja house. We going down to Abuja house to chase Buhari out of town. Nigeria is the third most insecure country in the whole world. According to Transparency International, Nigeria is more corrupt today than at any time in our history.
Buhari, show your face.
Shame! Shame!
Show your face.
25 billion, his own minister, the memo was leaked. 25 billion. 25 billion was missing at NNPC. They said that contracts were given without due process. 25 billion. No investigation was given. They said in 2016, July, that they did a panel and they are going to tell us who owns the Ikoyi apartment billions. Have they told you?
No, not till tomorrow.
Who owns the Ikoyi apartment? We want to know.
To chase Buhari out of town. To chase Buhari out of town. I mean, my voice is sweet, I mean. Now that part I dey like. That to chase Buhari. Make I just leave her. If I finish it, I'll go as I dey bath, I go scatter that thing for my bedroom. We must chase. My people, everybody don't tire. Una never tire. Small thing, you London. Small thing, you London. And the thing say where they pay me for this woman, I be saying shame no even they catch some people. Shame no they catch our president like this, so small one. No, just say okay, they feel and small. Most corrupt government ever. Where we get for Nigeria. We not say not been perfect before. We don't say Nigeria not been perfect before, but my people are beg. I've never heard where we reach this level. It has never been heard that Nigeria reach this kind level. I beg make una send him back. Send him back. Chase him out. Say any means or measure one I want use. Make sure say this man come back. Now so una go dey collect money. All the money where these people thief. They don't fit do one at least. We know they even ask them for 10 hospitals. Even if na one hospital where if people hear am, if people see am last song, they go bow. No, we no even get. So wetin did they do with all this money where they embezzle abi wetin they call that English kilo pe? Wetin they do with all that money where they carry? Wetin me I wan know. With all these things where they happen, yeah, all the Nigerians, make una listen to me. If after this thing, una no learn from the mistakes we una make by putting Buhari in power, na there go finally know say we are under a spell. Person don't swear for us, person don't curse us, person and the thing they work. Na there I go know. If this thing una never learn up till now, something no. Una village people, they don't use una files as pillow. Nigeria, jaga, everything's scatter. Who sang that song, safe? Now this year, that person supposed sing, no be that one. They say Nigeria no jaga. Now, in fact, we don't jaga safe. Everything. Una remove PDP because why? They say Buhari promised us. Buhari say he will be better. Buhari say he will do this. He will make it a better place. We will not regret it. Oh yeah. Non-regression Association of Nigeria. What are they? Say Baba. Hi, the way that TB they pay me that year. I not feel hear word. I open my window. Say Baba. I open my door, say Baba. I call Percy, say Baba. I go market, say everywhere you go, say Baba. Nah, where they? Make una see, no they hide though. Are they very sure? So all the people who even vote for Buhari now, they one corner. They no fit come outside now, come talk. No, make una come outside talk. And I they talk am again. I tell una before, anything wey bring me here for government, I go dey remind una. Maybe na the assignment wey God don't give me. I accept it with whole faith. And I bring it again. Coming 2023, come outside and vote. Every day I go dey tell una this thing. Even if matter where they talk, no get anything to do with vote. As long as in our government, I go tell una this thing. 2023, come outside and vote. What did I say? Come outside and vote. Because you see, I dey support what these people do. Video we una just watch. You understand? I dey support them, but it's not enough. It is not enough. You go shout to chase Buhari out of time. After you chase out of time, what's happen? We still in 2021, and according to you, not fit do anything till 2023, and that 2023 too determines your vote. You understand? So I beg, come outside and vote 2023. They're very important. In as much as we they do protest, we they do this one, we they pray. I beg, we still need to act on whatever is necessary. Very, very important. You understand? And any update where we get for concerning this matter, we not go here because some people now they don't tell me say Madam Aproko, they be like say abroad government don't start they talk about this matter. So now we they wait. Una know me by now. My ears, they like the antenna. My eyes, they like that. And they wait. And now for you, una go hear now. Why if you never subscribe? I wonder how you want to get interested matter. See, no. Oh, I don't want to start. They preach too much. You understand? Don't subscribe. Don't click on that thing. No they like all those people where you understand. Now when any day when the news come, make it come. No. Now why are they here to give you updates? You understand? And I will remind you by just clicking on that thing, you will get the latest notification in time. So just click on it. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say to chase Buhari out of time. Drop a comment for that comment section. Yes, and as usual, I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.